Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're fine with good health and very happiness. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. In a world that never stops moving, your hair should not hold you back. Welcome to our curated showcase of the best low maintenance short hairstyle that prove you can look polished without the effort. We begin with the classic pixie, the ultimate wash and go. Beautiful and latest ideas of wash and go style that highlights your features while keeping things incredibly simple. For those who want a bit more length, the blunt bob. Blunt bob offers a sleek, sophisticated silhouette that stays in place all day with minimal styling. Moving through our collection, you'll discover the beauty of soft textured layers, perfect for adding natural volume and movement without the need for heavy products or heat tools. These cuts are designed to work with your hair's natural growth, meaning fewer trips to the salon and more time for what matters. Whether it's a chick trapped cut for a professional AG or a tussle crop for a relaxed weekend vibe, these styles are about embracing your natural beauty. Say goodbye to long styling routines and hello to effortless confidence. Why unitil? The end to find the perfect cut that fits your lifestyle. Short hair, don't care because looking this good should always be this easy. If you like my video and my collection of low maintenance short hair, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next one. Stay stylish. Bye bye.